Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a taper. My client really didn't get anything else done, just a taper on the sides and the back. So this is probably going to be the simplest of the taper tutorials I've ever uploaded. Now this is a real client during normal business hours. It's not a hair model. And the final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin. The first step is to create the guidelines for the taper. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to create baldness with the foil shaver. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. The next step is to erase the bald line. This is done by fully extending the blade on your clipper, and each time you pass through the section, close the blade just a bit and pass through the section again. Continue repeating it just like you see here until the line has been erased. For this exercise, I'm using the original 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Close the blade slightly and repeat the same step. Continue repeating this step until the demarcation has been erased. The next step is to create the lineup with the trimmer. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to sharpen the lineup with a straight razor. If your taper looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of the clippers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.